Hello guys, my name is Lakshapal and today I am here to share my experience of Munstech internship from Webstack Academy. Now first of all, I am going to show you about the contents. There we will first see introduction of the internship, then overview, and after the overview there will be a goals of internship, internship structure, and the content of full stack development, specifically Munstack, and the internship project demo, and at the last conclusion. Now let's go ahead. First of all, let's see my introduction. My name is Lakshay Pal and I am a student of Master in Computer Application from Jagan Institute of Management Studies. I have a keen interest in coding, specifically in web development. I have worked on projects that are developed using MERN stack. Apart from this, I have basic knowledge of programming languages that are Java, C++, and Python. Now, if I am going to talk about my hobbies, I like to work out, listen music, and play cricket. You guys can connect with me on my LinkedIn profile by just tapping on the connect button. Now let's see the overview of the internship. Full stack development. Full stack development is a rapidly growing technology that involves handling backend and frontend of any project by a technology stack. Like we have React.js, Vue.js, Next.js for frontend, and Node.js is Java Spring Boot for backend. Under this internship, we are going to use MERN stack for development of our project. This stack includes MongoDB as database, Express.js for connection, React.js for front-end, and Node.js for back-end development. Now let's see the goals of this internship. This internship provides a internee to get a hands-on practical experience on working of MERN stack by implementing a project on a MERN stack. This internship is providing a learning exposure to the students that are looking for gaining some practical knowledge. During this internship, we first learned about the basics, and then after gaining basic knowledge, we implemented a live real project that is a food order project for us. Now let's see what is full stack development. As we as I have told in previous slides that full stack development is a stack that includes front end, both front end and back end of web application. Now let's read the slide. Full stack web development involves creating both the front end and back end of web application. A full stack developer. Full stack developer is the person who have knowledge of full stack development, who works with front end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue to build user interface. On the backend, they use server-side languages like Node.js, Python, Java, or PHP and manage databases SQL, NoSQL, and Mongo. They handle server management, API integrations, and ensure the application is responsive, secure, and scalable. Now, as we can see, full stack developer is the person who have the complete knowledge of developing a web application. Now, we are working on Munstack. Munstack, as we already know that Munstack, M is for MongoDB, E is for Express.js, R is for React.js, and N is for Node.js. Now, let's see Munstack in detail. The Munstack is a collection of 4 open source technologies. These all 4, Mongo, Express, React, and Node, are all the open source technologies that developers use to build dynamic web applications and websites. Now, MongoDB, a database, Express, a server-side web framework, React, a front-end web framework, and Node, a runtime environment. Okay, let's move ahead. How Munstack works. Now, this is the point where you need to focus on, that how Munstack works. Here's how the Munstack works. React used to implement the presentation layer. React is used to, it's like the first interaction like front end part. Okay, Express and Node, these are backend development, and for MongoDB, here is our database management. As we can see in the picture, how all these are connecting with each other. Okay. Now let's move in. First, React.js. Now let's get some information about React.js. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces primarily for single page applications. Now, the point is that MERN is much popular because here we can use JavaScript for front end and back end both side. So that reduces our burden to learn different languages for front end and back end. Okay. Now React is primarily used for single page application. Like we don't want to link to another pages and reload. It reduces our reload. It will reload dynamically. It will reload the content dynamically. It allows developers to create reusable UI components. We can make a component and then reuse it, manage their state on state, leading to more efficient and maintainable code. React uses a virtual DOM which updates only the parts of the actual DOM that need changes, resulting in faster rendering. It follows a declarative programming style, making it easier to predict how the UI will look and behave. Now let's see about Node.js, which is our backend run-side environment. Node.js is a powerful open source server-side runtime environment built on Google Chrome V8 in JavaScript engine. As we know, Google Chrome uses V8 JavaScript engine. That is the same thing that is used in Node building Node.js. It allows developers to run JavaScript on the server, enabling full stack development with a single language. Okay, as we talked about earlier, Node.js is known for its non-blocking, event-driven architecture, which means it's highly efficient and suitable for scalable real-time applications like chat, gaming, and collaborative tools. Express.js. Express.js is a lightweight and flexible web application framework for Node.js that simplifies building web servers and APIs. Known for its minimalism, Express provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications, such as routing, middleware support, templating engines, and error handling. It helps developers manage HTTP requests, set up middleware for handling responses, and define URL routes for RESTful service, all with minimal overhead. Now see about MongoDB. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database for its flexibility, scalability, and performance. NoSQL means there is um, no relation between data. Like if we change one row, another row will affect. It's not like that. Like we see in SQL. Okay. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in a JSON like format called BSM. JSON like format, MongoDB stores data in JSON like format that is like binary JSON, allowing for a more dynamic schema design. This make it ideal for applications requiring frequent schema updates or handling unstructured data. It supports powerful querying, indexing, and aggregation capabilities and allows horizontal scaling through sharding, enabling it to handle large volume of data and high traffic loads. Now we have concluded our Munstack and we got much more information on about Munstack. Now let's see our internship project. The project involves creating a food order web page using the Munstack. The application will have a user-friendly interface where customers can browse restaurants, view menus, and place orders. The front end is developed using React.js for a responsive and dynamic user experience. The backend is utilizing Node.js and Express.js to handle API requests, user authentication, and business logics. MongoDB will be the database for storing user data, restaurant details, and order information. The project will also implement features like payment integration and user authentication. Now let's see the functionalities that is concluded in our project. First, we have user registration and authentication. User can sign up, login, and logout features with secure password encryption. User profile management. Ability to update personal details, view order history. Restaurant browsing. Explore a list of restaurants based on cuisine, ratings, and popularity with filters and search options. Menu viewing. Display restaurant menus with categories and availability. Cart management. Add, remove, or modify items in the cart. View cart summary and calculate total price dynamically. Order placement. Seamless order placement. Payment integration. Payment option. Credit card, debit card. Search and filter options. Advanced search with search filters for cuisine type and ratings. Now, technologies that we are utilizing in our project, React.js, as we know, as for front end, Node.js, already know, MongoDB, Express.js. Now, we have three more technologies we are using, like we have mail trap for forget password features. Like we want forget to get a mail when we want to forget password and then verify user and then allow him to change the mail. Now for storing images of the user, we have used Cloudinary platform, Stripe for payment integration. Okay. Developing a food order project using the MERN stack offers a comprehensive learning experience in full stack web development. This project showcases the power of combining MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js to build a fully functional and scalable web application. By implementing essential features such as user authentication, dynamic menus, order management, and payment integration, developers gain hands-on experience with front-end and back-end technologies. This project not only enhances skills in building modern web applications, but also prepares trainees to tackle real-world challenges in building responsive and user-friendly online platform. Now, I want to thank Webstack Academy. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Webstack Academy for providing this valuable internship. This opportunity to develop a Swiggy-like clone, like I have stole a order project. It's like a Swiggy clone. Using the MERN stack has been an enriching experience that has deepened my understanding of full stack development. Working on this project has allowed me to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical setting, enhancing my skills in building dynamic, scalable, and user-centric web application. I appreciate the guidance and resources provided throughout the project, which have been instrumental in helping me grow as a developer and prepare for future challenges in the tech industry. Thank you for this invaluable experience. Thank you, Webstack Academy. Thank you, Rohit Kumar sir. Okay, now let's see demo for my project. Okay, let me start my project. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. I will be going to show you all the functionalities that I am having in this project. Okay. Firstly conclude these files. Here we have three files in the under our project: backend, database, and frontend. Now first go to backend. Uh, Start a backend npm start node package manager. Now I'm going to start my front end part, that is utilizing, sorry, there is some spelling mistake. Yeah, okay. Npm start. Now I will be showing you all the functionalities one by one that we discussed in our presentation. It is taking some time. Okay. Firstly, I am going to log out this and clear all keys and data. Okay. So user registration. I will be showing first functionality, that is user registration. Whenever we will click on any product and add it to our cart, it will redirect us to our login page where we can see there is new user where we can register ourselves. Now I'm going to register myself. Okay. Let me complete. I can choose avatar. Okay. I have registered. As you can see, here it is Lakshapal showing as I have created an account on this name only. As you have seen logout our logout features, I have log out. I will log in again with the same details that I used while registering myself. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, we got in our account. Now I am going to show you, like, I want to update my profile. Okay, I want to update my profile details. Okay, here you can see joined on this full name, email address. I want to edit my full name. Okay, Lakshay Lakshay. I want to enter only Lakshay. Okay, here user updated successfully. User file is updated successfully, as you have already seen our logo features. Okay, now see restaurant view. We have 8 restaurants only. I want to see pure veg. Okay, pure veg here. Haldiram, as I am only a vegetarian person. Okay, Haldiram. I want to eat aloo. No, Raj Kachori and Dahi Papdi. Okay, item. As we can see, two item added in our cart. I'm going to order these. I can dynamically calculate price here, as you can see, and remove and add our item from our cart. I have changed my decision to eat the papdi chaat, and I will going to remove this. Okay, I've removed it. Now get it check out. Check out. I think there is some issue. Check out. Okay, so there was issue at my Stripe. I have resolved it, and now let's check out. I got these striped. I have already entered my tails. Now I will click on pay. It is test mode, as you can see here, and this is all handled by Stripe. Stripe, which is the payment gateway. Okay, now I will click on pay. Processing, 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 and now it's done. Your order has been successfully placed. I've got this message. Now I'm going to my orders. Here you can see the papri chart. I have ordered on 9/9/2024. That is today's date. Now let's check it in our Mongo Compass database. Okay, it is opening. Yeah, let's see if we have got the order or not. Internship, then orders. Okay, as you can see this order for date 2024 9/3, but I want data for 9/9. Here it is. You can see. Now you can see it is processing 353 amount. Now I am going to update it as delivered from my Mongo database. Let's see if it gets updated or not. Update and then now see. No, you guys can see its status is now delivered. Okay. Now we can see, we have seen our features. We can sort restaurant by reviews. These are our filter operations. Sort by ratings. And that's all about my project. Okay. Thank you so much, Manstack Academy and Rohit sir, for your guidance. Thank you so much.